The SYMA Kids Drone X20 is an excellent choice for young pilots, featuring smart obstacle avoidance technology that ensures safer flights by automatically detecting and avoiding obstacles. Its durable construction, complete with a full enclosed propeller guard, provides protection against accidental impacts, making it ideal for children and beginners. Operating the drone is simple with its one-button takeoff and landing feature, along with 2 speed modes that cater to different skill levels. The drone offers a fun interactive experience with its ability to perform cool 360-degree flips and gesture controls, perfect for family gatherings and bonding activities. With its safe and user-friendly design, the SYMA X100 makes for an exciting gift that combines fun and technology, ensuring endless entertainment for children. This drone not only delivers a thrilling flying experience, but also provides peace of mind to parents due to its safety features and reliable build quality.